guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovey and for today's video I am going to do a clothing haul. So yesterday the family went to Cheston shopping center, guys, and we passed by this shop, one of my favorite clothing shop here in Australia, guys, Bardot. So they have signs all over their shop, guys. It's 50% off. That's why, yes, I went in. But the thing, guys, is I have been eyeing new items at the shop, but then they were full price that time, and I don't really want to pay full price if possible, guys, because I just don't want to. Like, I just hate paying full price. So I waited until they have sale on, and then boom, we went to Cheston shopping center and they have 50% off. That's why I got this paper bag, guys. So that's the name of the shop. It's Bardot, and I didn't pick up a lot of things, guys, but yes, I picked up a few, so I'm going to show them to you guys. Mostly they're tops because I really love the tops at Bardot, guys. I think they're really cute, and yeah, so if you're interested to see, please keep on watching. So guys, let's start with what I am currently wearing. So this top, guys, is so cute. What do you think? It's just plain white, but can you see all those circles going on? I think they're really cute, and they're very high, like a crop top, guys, so it's only, you know, up to the bra part, but I think I really like it. Hang on, guys, my baby's come in. So I've got a visitor, guys. Hi, wanna say hi? Hi. But yeah, so this is the first top, guys, and also I'm going to show you the jeans that I'm currently wearing right now. It's also from Bardot. I'll give you a better view later on, but this is what it looks like for now. So this top, guys, oh, I don't know where. There you go. So this white top is the original price for this one, guys, is $99.99. So it's basically $100, and you know now why I don't want to get it for full price, because $100 for a top, I think it's too much. And yeah, but they were on 50% off sale yesterday, so I only got this for $50. So $50 is not bad for a top. I think I'm happy to pay for that, but $100, I think I'm you know, really not into paying $100 for a top. But yeah, what do you think of these, guys? You reckon it's cute? And these jeans I got for the mom. This is what they call mom jean, guys, and I know this wasn't on sale. That's really bad, because I went in there and it was on the sale rack, and said, oh, this is beautiful, I'm gonna give it a go. I tried it on and I really like the fit, guys, on me. So I went to the counter and said, like, oh, I just want to check how much this is, because there's no tags. And then I went in and checked, and it's full price, guys, and the full price is $100 and $149. No, I was bad. $139.99. So it's basically $140. But if you are a member, you'll get 10% off. So since I'm a member, guys, they took off $14. So I don't know, 140 minus 14, and that's what I paid for the jeans. But I really like it, guys, and I think it's going to stay in my wardrobe for a while if I don't, you know, I don't gain more weight pretty soon. I hope not. I'm trying not to gain a lot of weight, guys, because I'm going to the Philippines in May, and of course, you know, I don't want to look like a dambuhala, guys, when I go home. So that's it. And then I'm going to show you the second top that I got from Bardot, guys, and this is this black. Again, it's a crop top, guys. I really love crop top pairing with high-waisted jeans or shorts, guys. I think it looks so cute, but it's a ruffle going on. I think it's too much ruffle actually, but I think I can rock it, guys, so I bought it. So this one I got for originally, guys, it was $119.99. So that's a price, and then they put it on sale, guys. Excuse my nails. They put it on sale for $30. And because we're having an extra 50% off sale yesterday, guys, guess what? I only got it for $15, guys. Oh my god, like seriously, from $120 to $15. I think it's a great deal, and I'm not gonna say no to that. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on now, guys, and I'll be back. And the last top that I got from Bardot, guys, is this. Yes, guys, it is pink, and I love this shade of pink, guys. This is not too crop top like this one and the other one, which I like because, you know, for a change. But have a look at it, guys. This is so cute, and everything, guys, is in size 8. The jeans and the top, they're all size 8. And original price for this one, guys, was $89.99, and they were in sale for $40, guys, so they put the price down. And then again, it's 50% off on top of this, so I only got this for $20, guys. Oh yes, yesterday was my lucky day, guys. Hello. Shoes, yeah, I know. So yeah, that's the top, and I think it's so cute, guys. Everything that I got, as you can see, I've got pink, I've got white, and I've got black. So yeah, I think I've got all the colors in the world. They're my favorite colors, guys, and that's about it. There's no more here. And yes, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. And let me know what's your favorite item, guys, out of the 4, the jeans or the, you know, the top. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I'll see you all guys in the next one. Ha ha ha. It's my visitor, guys. Intruder. A pen. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Bye. Bye.